Hi guys, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and I'm really excited to come to you from my students' renovation. You may remember that we had a look through this house a couple of months ago, probably a few months ago now actually, right at the beginning of this renovation. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house built in the 1960s with a little studio apartment on the side. It was an absolute mess. People couldn't see the vision that Leanne had, but I'm just so excited to show it to you now. So let's have a look. So here we are in the lounge room. So it was a lovely big lounge room with big windows. So the windows overlook a nice park across the road. There was a monstrosity of an orange Gothic fireplace there, which she's managed to tart up a little bit to make it look like it fits in the room a lot better. The Jarrah floorboards have all been polished and looking really beautiful. Nice little dining area next to the kitchen. So the kitchen didn't have the floorboards, so she's come up with a gorgeous idea of just putting some sheet vinyl down, concrete look, and I think it matches in really well, and certainly matches the budget as well. So doesn't it look beautiful with the grey splashback subway tiles and beautiful stone benches and white kitchen. So coming through here, we've got a lovely long hallway and really nice high ceilings. So off to the left, you know, it's a fairly standard floor plan, but she's just made it look so beautiful with the whites and the greys consistent all the way through. Beautiful big bedroom with very high ceilings, sloping ceiling. So it just really gives the illusion of space, which there is, and just beauty as well with the gorgeous character floorboards. We've got the master bedroom here, which is really lovely. Beautiful outlook there onto trees. It just feels so calm and inviting, this house now, and it certainly was far from that right at the beginning. So I'm really excited and happy and proud of what Leanne's been able to achieve here. She has accepted an offer on it after the first home open, first weekend on the market. So that's always really exciting as well. And she is absolutely over the moon with the profit that she's been able to make out of this. So I'll take you through to the studio next so you can see what she's done there. Bye.